The Booking and Workshop modules are an alternative way to book clients. The Booking module allows you to create an event where clients can choose from available times and make a payment to reserve their spot. The Workshop module, on the other hand, allows multiple clients to register for the same session time. Events for both modules can be found under the Booking tab. Let's take a look at them. To create a booking event, just select New Booking under the Create button. Give your event a name and location. In my example, I'll create one for a series of mini sessions. Then set the duration for each session in the event and write a brief description that explains what the event entails. Choose a date and time, and if necessary, add multiple dates. I'll add 2 dates for my event. You'll need to integrate a merchant account into ShootQ in order to collect payment for the sessions. You can then specify which merchant to use in this drop-down menu. Finally, set a price for the session and click this button. A link will be generated for your event, which you can add to your website, blog, or social media sites so that your clients can register for it. When a client clicks on the link, your event page will display the relevant details at the top. Down below, the client can choose an available date and time. They can also add their name and email address. After clicking Reserve Your Spot, they can then fill in their credit card information to make a payment. A confirmation notice appears when the payment is successful, and they also receive an email confirmation. This automatically creates an active job with a paid invoice in ShootQ. You can view who has signed up for the event under the Booking tab. Just click on the event name. Refunds can be issued here if necessary. You can also send your client an email reminder too. Click this button to edit the event's information. And you can always find the registration link in this section as well. When all available slots are filled, no other clients will be able to reserve a time. You can create as many booking events as necessary. Workshop events are very similar to booking events. In workshops, though, multiple clients can register for the same time slot. To create a new one, just click New Workshop under the Create button. Then give your workshop a name and location. Also, write a description of the workshop. Then select a date and time. And choose one of your merchant accounts to collect payments from your clients. Finally, set how many people can register for the workshop and the cost per person. Workshops can also be free if necessary. After clicking the Create Workshop button, a link is generated that can be added to your website, blog, or social media sites. When clients click on the link, they can select the workshop date and enter their information. Then they can make a payment. They'll see a confirmation message and also be emailed as well. Once again, an active job is created in ShootQ for each client who registers, and these jobs will contain their paid invoices. Just like booking events, you can view registrants for the workshop under the Booking tab. You can also issue refunds, send reminder emails, edit the workshop details, and copy the registration link in this section. The Booking and Workshop modules are designed to streamline the booking process for jobs that don't require a more elaborate proposal. As you can see, they are quick and easy alternatives to booking clients for certain types of jobs and events.